wish you knew me better, but you really don't. And it's like every time I get up, I'm just trying to cope. I gotta roll another L up, will you try and smoke? Alright, then I'ma
Hey guys, welcome to TimewithTemi, where every week you get to spend a little bit of time with me in the minutes that is my brain. So today I did something really exciting and something that I've been wanting to do since pre-COVID basically, because that's when I found out about it. And it was going to the Bloggers Marketplace, which is this event, has all these different bloggers and different influencers who come in and just sell like a huge bulk of their clothes. So the whole point of this, I think, is just to, I think it's a really smart and innovative way to promote slow fashion and sustainable fashion, and not necessarily just buying I don't know how to describe it, just like over consuming in fashion, because obviously they have probably like hoarded like this huge amount of clothes that they have nothing to do. So I think it's like the smartest idea, or a really clever way to get people into slow fashion and get into people rebuying things and re-wearing things and selling them instead of just returning them, because obviously when you return things, sometimes they don't always get reprocessed through whatever company you bought them for. They're just gonna get sent to a landfill. So I just thought this was a really smart way to sort of tackle that issue. I don't know if that is the main goal or hope for the Bloggers Marketplace, but I just love the idea of it. And plus, the influencers are getting a little bit more money on the side, so who am I to judge? One of the biggest things that I was looking out for when I was looking at the Bloggers Marketplace and looking at how everything is sort of set up, the only flaw that I could see in it when I was initially looking at it is that the range of actual bloggers that are selling their stuff body type wise isn't like the hugest amount. I think you have, or it seemed like on the first look you had like the typical petite and really small like size 8 models, and then you have the plus size models. And as someone who's somewhere in like the middle of that, like a mid-sized babe, I didn't see a lot of people who had my body type or a similar body type to me, so it made me a little bit nervous to go. But I was like, at the very least I need more accessories anyway, so it'd be really cool to get like a couple of nice accessories that I could just wear and use and da. That is not to put like a bad word or to dampen what they're doing at the Bloggers Marketplace, because like I said, it's really smart and it's really innovative and I love the idea. And now as I'm continuing like my slow fashion journey, I'm looking for things that are sustainable and re-wearable, not something that I'm just gonna wear once, because that was the mentality I had for a really long time. So going into this new sort of stage in how I'm buying clothes and how I'm trying to experience them, that's something that I'm looking out for. But that is that's where we're going today, and I'm going with Damini, but I just wanted to take you along on that trip with me. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications, you know, every single time that I post.
Okay, so today has already been quite an emotional day because I don't even know where to begin. As you know, we're going to the Bloggers Marketplace in Hackney, so I'm really excited to try that. But we are definitely way behind schedule because of buses and younger siblings. And now I'm off. I'm waiting for Dummy to get here, and then we can go. But I'm happy with the sun. But it's 1 degree. I like the sun, but it's 1 degree, so I'm trying to keep my composure. But till then, I thought I'd do a cheeky little fit check. Since I'm bored, I just don't like doing this because there are people here, and you know how I feel about people. I'm just not about it. Sorry about the poor camera skills. This is the fit for today. I'm gonna have to leave it here, but shoes, Jordans, jeans from River Island, top Tala because, you know, we support sustainability, jacket I thrifted from eBay.
we're done shopping for the day. And my suspicions... Hi. This is Dami. Have you missed her? Is my phone falling? No. Yeah, it is. My suspicions were correct in that because a lot of the influencers there are small and petite, if there isn't enough range of the influencers that are actually coming to the event, it's kind of hard for you to get as much stuff as you would want. So a lot of my stuff I only got from... Most of my stuff I got from one place, and then I got one stuff from, like, set from another influencer. That would be my only, like, down point on it. If there was greater range, then that'd be better. And obviously, because we came on a Sunday, I just don't think we came on as popular of a day, so there was less stuff there anyway. But overall, I liked it. Also, the influencers there were really nice.
So
no one was rude. Everyone was really nice, and I really appreciated that. So I think overall, I'll give it like a decent... I would give it like a 7 out of 10. What would you give it?
I think in general, yeah, like a 7.
Like
maybe
a 7.
7.5.
I'd love to see it on a bigger scale.
Yeah.
But I also know that's probably quite hard to do anyway. But a decent 7 out of 10. More influencers.
Yeah.
It'd be getting in there.
Yeah.
So I can appreciate that's hard, but like more influencers and a different variety of influencers.
Yeah.
That would be the only thing, because of once we went to like that other side, it's all petite and small people. We're not petite and or small. So
And also people that dress slightly different.
that, especially on like that side of the room.
The one side of the room was like all the
All
same,
the
and
stuff
then
the
even
same.
the one on the other side of the room, do you know that other girl?
Yeah.
She
had
basically
the
the same.
same.
And I was like, I can't. Like the Jada jeans, I was like, wow.
Yeah. So that's okay. More influencers, if possible. More diversity in body sizes and also in what they wear. That's a really good point. You hit all of those, I'm good. I want to try coming when they do it again on like on a busy Saturday.
Yeah.
I'd probably come again on a Saturday and see how that goes. If I came by myself, which I almost did, I would have probably been there for about 10 minutes and left. I'm gonna get back home and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna like try it on, try and style it a little bit. Ooh.
The first thing we have is this. I fell in love with this coat when I first saw it. I'm so serious, because I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it and I had more ideas on how I want to style it. But for now, just as at its very simplest and like lowest level of styling it, it's just this, and it's from PLT, and I have not bought from them all year, so I feel like I'm breaking the promise that I made that I was never gonna buy from them, but it's okay. It doesn't matter, it's okay. And it's literally just the jacket on its own with some thigh-high boots, because that in itself is just, it's a classic look to me. That's a look that you see a lot, and I really appreciate that. And I kind of like the simplicity in it, because I didn't want to do too much with the look, because I know sometimes I get in my head with how I style things. So it's very nice to have this simple classic look, very much like trench coat and nothing underneath, but I kind of want to wear it with maybe a jumpsuit, but I don't have a jumpsuit, which is why I just went with that. And then the second piece that I got was this co-ord that I'm literally wearing now. But yeah, just this co-ord. I thought it was a really cute co-ord, and I got it for £2, so that was cool. I like not having to spend too much money on things. I enjoy that as an aspect of my life when buying clothes, because it's gonna feed into my addiction. And yeah, I just wanted to pair it with this blazer. I like it with this blazer. It's white. Again, it's a very simple look for me, because there's more white in this than there is with like the greens and the browns. And I know there are different ways. I definitely style it with maybe some brown trousers as well, but I don't have the right brown trousers for that yet, so I don't want to get ahead of myself. That is all that we have today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up so you know that I'm making content that you enjoy. Please follow the Bloggers Marketplace, because I know they're going to definitely do more of these, and I think it's their 4th year that they've been doing it so far, so it was really fun. It was really good to go. I just wish I went on Saturday and Sunday, because I definitely have more options of things to look at. But yeah, I really enjoyed my time, and I will 1000% be going again. But I enjoyed the time I got to spend with you. I hope you enjoyed the time you got to spend with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.